Taken out chapter 6, the making of a scientist. Everybody is having the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Rahul is having.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the date on the chapter. Hurry up. Date written, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the making of a scientist. Now the chapter is about Richard Albright, who received the Real Scholar Award and the Shering Plough Award for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. It was his fascination for butterflies that opened the world of science to him. Fascination means attraction. Now the chapter. At the age of 22, a former Scout of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. Richard H. Albright, underline, and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. So now what does the writer say? That at the age of 22, a former means who was earlier means पहले वाला, okay? Former होता है पहले वाला और later होता है बाद वाला, right? So at the age of 22, a former Scout of the Year, Scout you know very well, okay? He excited the world, the scientific world, with a new theory on how cells work. Richard H. Albright and his college roommate, they explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. Underline this, Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Richard H. Bright, at the age of 22, he just attracted the whole world by his theory, and even his roommates, you know, they explained the world, the theory, in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. अब first time हुआ था कि इस scientific journal ने, okay, what is a journal? The magazine. You can write down the magazine. For the very first time, it so happened that this important magazine, it published the work of college students. Whatever researches were made by the college students, this magazine it published. In sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at a bat. Now see, hitting a home run your first time at a bat, it's given there. A home run in the game of a baseball is when the batter scores a run after running safely around all bases and back to the home plate without stopping. That is home run. A ball hit out of the playing field is also called a home run. Getting a paper published at the age of 15 in a scientific journal is here compared to scoring a home run while batting for the first time. You got it? So the writer says that it so happened that the very first time this scientific magazine, you know, it ever published the work that was done by the college students. और यदि स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड लें तो इस अचीवमेंट को ऐसा बोला जाएगा like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at a bat, okay? और जैसे first time home run hit कर दिया, home run I told you, home run क्या होता है in the game of baseball, जब जो बैटर होता है वो रन स्कोर करता है after running safely around all bases, है ना, सारे bases जो होते हैं वहां पर वो रन करता है और वापस अपने होम प्लेट पर आ जाता है विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, दैट इज होम रन। अब नेक्स्ट क्या है, अ बॉल हिट आउट ऑफ द प्लेइंग फील्ड, ओके, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ होम रन। गेटिंग अ पेपर पब्लिश एट द एज ऑफ 15 साइंटिफिक जर्नल में, उसको कंपेयर करा गया है जैसे उसने होम रन स्कोर कर लिया। ओके, इन द क्रिकेट आल्सो इट हैपेंस द सेम ना, कि वो बॉल हिट करके ही रन्स टू द अदर साइड एंड देन ही रन्स बैक एंड दिस एंड दैट। ओके, so it has been compared as a home run जब उसका पेपर, scientific paper publish हुआ था। For Richard Ebright, it was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields, and it started with butterflies. अब ये writers कहते हैं कि for the first time, okay, ये क्या था, it was the first in a long string of achievements. String of achievements किसको कहते हैं, line of achievements that he got later on. तो उसमें सबसे पहला achievement was this achievement, that his writings or his work, it was published in the scientific journal and other fields, and it all started with butterflies, है ना, और इसके सारे achievements they began with butterflies. Getting it, or should I explain once more if you did not get? Yes, students,
No, once more.
should I explain once more?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
now this is about Richard Ebright, okay, who was a big scientist. Got it? And then when the chapter begins, the writer says that when he was at the age of 22, okay, a former scout of the year. Scout of the year, scout तो समझते हो ना? समझते हो कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Scout and
Scout
guides
guiding.
नहीं समझते हो क्या? Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
earlier he
Scout
was
guiding.
a scout of the year, but he excited the scientific world, you know. He developed a kind of excitement in the scientific world, को पूरा excite कर दिया था। क्यों? क्योंकि वो scientific world में वो लेकर आया था a new theory on how cells work. Clear this thing? This is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ना cells कैसे
Yes,
काम
ma'am.
करती हैं, ठीक है, ये बताकर उसने पूरे scientific world को excite कर दिया। Got it? Now Richard H. Bright and his college roommate, okay, one of his roommate was there and he was there in the college, okay. What did they do? They explained the theory. Which theory? कि how do cells work? ये theory
Cell
उन्होंने
work.
explain करिए in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science, okay. और एक आर्टिकल आर्टिकल राइटिंग जो भी होता है, लेख है ना, लेखन, whatever it is in Hindi as we call it, तो उसमें है ना उनकी थ्योरी को उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन करा था। वो क्या थी? प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ द नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंस।
Science.
हाँ, ये क्या थी? साइंटिफिक जर्नल थी। गॉट इट? इट वाज अ मैगजीन। क्लियर?
मैगजीन के
यस
थ्रू मैम समझाया था क्या?
यस, उसमें दिस आर्टिकल इट वाज पब्लिश्ड हाउ सेल्स वर्क। क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है।
ma'am.
अब इट वाज, देखो, इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दिस इंपॉर्टेंट साइंटिफिक, दिस समझ गए? National Academy of Science, this important scientific journal, okay, the writer is talking about कि first time हुआ था कि किसी scientific journal ने it had ever published the work of college students. Got it? जो work जो researchers college students कर रहे थे ना, तो first time हुआ था कि जो scientific journal थी या जो science magazine थी, उन्होंने first time whatever work was done or whatever researches were done by the college students, those researches were published in this scientific magazine. It is clear now? आया
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
में? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, सबको आना चाहिए बेटा। इन स्पोर्ट्स, अब
Yes, ma'am.
कहते हैं कि यदि स्पोर्ट्स से इस अचीवमेंट को कंपेयर करा जाए तो इट वुड बी like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat, okay. तो यदि स्पोर्ट्स से कंपेयर करा जाए तो at the age of 15, है ना, when a child is hardly grown up, ठीक है, उसमें आपने कोई लीग बना ली और होम रन हिट कर लिया। अब होम रन किसको बोला जा रहा है? होम रन इन द गेम ऑफ अ बेसबॉल is when the batter scores a run after running safely around all bases and back to the home plate without stopping. Got it? बेसबॉल खेला जाता है, उसमें जो बैटर होता है, ओके, वो रन स्कोर करता है आफ्टर रनिंग सेफली अराउंड ऑल बेसिस, जितने बेसिस होते हैं उनके चारों तरफ चक्कर काट कर आता है और वापस अपने होम प्लेट पर विदाउट स्टॉपिंग एनीवेयर, ओके, जहां से स्टार्ट होता है वहां वो वापस पूरे उसमें बेसिस पे चक्कर काट कर आता है। इट इज अ बिग दिस थिंग, ओके, अचीवमेंट। और आकर ही जस्ट स्टैंड्स अगेन एट हिज होम प्लेट विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, उसको कहते हैं होम रन, ओके। A ball hit out of the playing field is also called a home. Clear? अब ये
Yes, ma'am.
बेसबॉल का नहीं समझ में आए तो इसका वीडियो देख लेना आप यूट्यूब पे कि हाउ द प्लेयर ही प्लेज। क्लियर? तो इसी तरह से ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट था उसके लिए। जिस तरह से कोई सेंचुरी स्कोर कर रहा है ना, बिना उसको आउट करे, ठीक है, बिना आउट हुए कोई सेंचुरी स्कोर कर रहा है तो उसके लिए भी बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। तो इसके लिए भी इट वाज अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर रिचर्ड एब्राइट। It was the first means it was his first achievement in a long string of achievement. Long string समझ गए? In a long line of achievements. यानी later on he got many achievements in his life, but this was his very first achievement, that his work, it was published in the scientific magazine. समझ में आया? बाद में तो बहुत सफलताएं मिली, लेकिन सबसे पहली सफलता उसकी क्या थी बेटा? कि उसका ये जो वर्क था, इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन अ साइंटिफिक मैगजीन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। क्लियर?
मैगजीन में तो उसका रूम पार्टनर ने किया था ना पब्लिश।
अरे ही एंड हिज रूममेट, वो थोड़ी ना था, रूम पार्टनर अकेले थोड़ी ना था राहुल। हमने क्या पढ़ा बेटा सेकंड लाइन में? रिचर्ड एच ब्राइट एंड हिज कॉलेज रूममेट।
Yes,
गॉट
ma'am.
इट? तो उसके बाद ही गॉट मैनी अचीवमेंट्स। अब तुम और तुम्हारा फ्रेंड कुछ भी करेगा एंड सपोज यू गेट सम अवार्ड फॉर दिस, तो सिर्फ वो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड का थोड़ी ना होगा, इट
No,
विल बी
ma'am.
इक्वली योर्स आल्सो ना। कंट्रीब्यूशन तो
Yes.
दोनों का है, तो इट विल बी अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर यू एज वेल एज योर फ्रेंड। गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am.
नॉट कंफ्यूज नाउ? आई होप सो। कंफ्यूज तो नहीं हो रहे हो?
No, ma'am.
ओके। And it all started with butterflies, और ये सारे achievements they started with butterflies। अब सुनना बहुत ध्यान से है, आराम से करूंगी मैं ये चैप्टर, ओके। An only child, Ebright grew up north of Reading. Underline, Reading is a place. Underline it. Pennsylvania, underline it. यहाँ पर he grew up, यहाँ पर he was the only child और यहीं पर वो बड़ा हुआ था। He grew up here. There wasn't much I could do there, he said. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one, but there was one thing I could do: collect things. Now, when he was born there, he was brought up at Reading. Now he says that he was the only child there, okay? Only child, you got it? सिर्फ इकलौता बच्चा था. So he says, being all alone, I couldn't do anything there. Means I could not play football, I could not play baseball, because a single person cannot play all these games or sports. Okay, so it was very difficult for him to pass his time, to live on. So what did he say? But there was only one thing I could do: collect things. अब अकेला था तो क्या अकेला बच्चा क्रिकेट खेल सकता है? नहीं खेल सकता बेटा। अकेला फुटबॉल खेल सकता है? नहीं खेल सकता। तो सिमिलरली ही सेज कि I was the only child, so I did not have any other company to play with. तो अब मैं कुछ नहीं खेल सकता था, तो only one thing I could do is I used to collect things. Okay, चीजें collect करता था मैं। So he did. And did he ever? And always he did. Beginning in the kindergarten, A bride collected butterflies with the same determination that has marked all his activities. Okay, when he was in kindergarten, when he was in the play school, a bride, he says that he started the collection of butterflies. Okay, and butterflies collection he started with lot of determination. Okay, and this determination it continued, and later on it marked all his okay. I don't know which idiots they come and join it, and then they just try to do it all the mischiefs. Yes, beta, am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When he was in kindergarten, he started collecting all the butterflies and all, and with the same determination. Now, this collection of butterflies, later on, it marked all his activities. He also collected rocks, fossils, and coins. Underline it. Fossils, you know, the remaining of dead.
Yes, ma'am.
He became an
Dead
eager
things.
astronomer to sometimes stargazing all night. So now, why did he started doing all these things? Why, beta? Because he was all alone. Okay. And when he was very small, he did not have any other uh, person or any other boy or any other child to play with. So he started the collection with all the things, and he says that he started collecting butterflies with lot and lot of determination that marked all his activities later on. And then he also collected rocks, fossils, and coins. And then he says he used to look at the stars continuously, and he became somewhat a very eager, okay, astronomer. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
From the first,
ma'am,
he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. She took him on trips, bought him telescopes, underline microscopes, camera, mounting materials, and other equipment, and helped him in many other ways. Okay. Now, for the first time, he had a driving curiosity. Okay, driving curiosity. Curiosity is it is an eagerness to know something. So he had lot of eagerness. You know, a very bright mind. He was very intelligent. A very sharp mind he had, and with it he had very too much of curiosity, eagerness to know about the things. And his mother, you know, she also helped him a lot and also encouraged his interest in learning. Means he was very interested in learning things. Okay, तो मदर भी बहुत हेल्प करती थी, देखा बेटे का बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, तो even she started helping and encouraging her son. She took him on trips. देखो कई trips पर मदर लेकर जाती थी. Bought him telescopes, many telescopes mother used to bring for him. Microscopes लेकर आई, cameras लेकर आई, mounting materials. Okay, mounting, you got it now. When a child goes for when a person goes for the mounting, he requires all the materials and other equipments, and helped him in many other ways. Okay, so mother, she was a big encouragement for a bride. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, ma'am, here it is written an only child, Abride grew up not
And
of
only child, I
reading.
told you na, he was the only child. इकलौता था वो.
No, ma'am, it is written that Abride grew up
अरे
North
not of reading. No, reading is a place. समझ में आया? It is not reading that I am doing. Reading is a name of a place. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जैसे तुम रहते हो हाउसिंग बोर्ड, शास्त्री नगर, दिस इज द नेम ना. ठीक है, किशनगढ़ वगैरह ये सब नेम्स हैं कि नहीं?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम.
हाँ, तो रीडिंग इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस. ठीक है, उसके नॉर्थ में ही माइट हैव बीन लिविंग देयर, तो नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन दे दिया कि रीडिंग के नॉर्थ में ही वाज ब्रॉट अप. Clear or not? I told you
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
beginning, this is the name of
Yes.
a place where he was brought up. Suppose you're brought up in Kishangarh, then it is the name of the place. Got it? Now it's time and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay?